Welcome to Catalyst Grid. My name is Kingsley Amafua, lead scheduler with DC Nordics. Most delayed projects don't fail because the plan was bad. They fail because nobody updated the plan. A Primavera P6 schedule that hasn't been touched in 3 weeks isn't a control tool anymore. It's a historical document. In the next 7 minutes, I'll walk you through the complete daily update process in P6, what to collect from site, exactly which 10 fields to update, how to schedule correctly, and the 4 review checks most planners skip. Let's get into it. First, a definition that keeps people out of trouble. A daily update means recording what actually happened on site, so the remaining schedule stays realistic. It does not mean changing logic or durations to make the finish date look better. That's replanning, and it belongs in a separate, documented change process. Keep those 2 activities apart, and your schedule stays defensible in progress meetings, in claims, and in audits. Blur them, and nobody will trust your numbers again. Your update is only as good as the data feeding it. Before you open P6, you need 7 things from site. Today's date, which becomes your data date. The status of every activity in progress, not started, in progress, or complete. Actual start and actual finish dates. Physical % complete. Remaining duration or remaining work. Manpower, material and equipment actually consumed, and any issues or delays with the reason recorded. Best practice, standardize this into one daily progress form. Step 1. Before you type a single actual, export a dated XER backup of the project. 30 seconds now saves a full day of rework if an update goes wrong. Step 2. Set your data date. In P6, you press F9 to open the schedule dialog, and the data date field sits right at the top. Set it to the moment progress is measured up to. Everything before the data date is history, everything after it is forecast. Get this wrong and every number downstream is wrong. Now, the update itself, there are 10 fields. 1. Data date. 2. Activity status, not started in progress or completed on the status tab. 3. Actual start. 4. Actual finish, entered only when genuinely done. 5% complete, reflecting physical progress. 6. Remaining duration. 7. Actual units consumed. 8. Remaining units, what's still required. 9. Actual cost. And 10. Comments and issues in the notebook tab. Hard rule, actual dates can never be later than the data date. Here's the mistake that corrupts schedules. P6 has 3 types: duration, physical, and units. Duration % is just elapsed time. Physical % is what you enter based on real installed quantity. For construction, physical % tied to installed quantity is the defensible choice. With actuals in, press F9. But open options first and check your out-of-sequence progress setting. Retained logic keeps original relationships. Progress override ignores them, creating an optimistic finish date that often can't happen. Retained logic is the default for a reason. Run 4 checks. 1. Read the scheduling log. It reports open ends and out-of-sequence activities. 2. Filter for negative total float. 3. Compare today's critical path to yesterday's. A jump usually signals a data error. 4. Check activities that should have started but show no progress. If tracking earned value, close periods by storing performance. This locks actuals so your S-curve and CPI trends are real history. Always compare against an approved baseline. Progress without a baseline is just activity. It never tells you if you're winning. Generate reports that drive decisions, daily progress, look ahead, critical path, and earned value. Issue the look ahead to site the same day. Quick wins, F. 9 schedules. Control, F. fines. Control E exports, update daily, not weekly. Small errors compound. 15 minutes a day. That's the entire cost of a schedule your management can trust. Accurate plan, effective control, project success. Kingsley Amafua, your host, signing off. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next episode.